Unlock the power of bulk buying and watch your sales soar with this essential WordPress product page tutorial. First, let's dive into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the product you want to set up for volume discounts. We'll be working within the product data section, which is usually found just below the main product description area. If you don't have a product yet, no worries. You can create a new one and follow along. We'll start by setting a base price for your product. This is the price a customer will see before any discounts are applied. Enter your standard price in the regular price field. This is the foundation for our discount strategy. Now, the magic happens with volume discounts. We'll need a plugin to achieve this dynamic pricing for this tutorial. We'll assume you have a powerful pricing plugin installed and activated. Look for a section within your plugin or WooCommerce settings that allows you to create dynamic pricing rules or conditional pricing. Once you've accessed the plugin's pricing rules, we'll set up our first tier. You'll want to define a minimum quantity. For example, if a customer buys 2 items, they get a discount next. Choose the discount type. This could be a percentage off, like 10%, or a fixed price reduction. Enter your desired discount value. To truly incentivize bulk purchases, let's add another tier this time. We'll set a higher minimum quantity, say 5 items, and offer a more substantial discount, perhaps 20% off. The key here is to create appealing savings that encourage customers to increase their order size. With your pricing rules configured, head over to the front end of your website to see your product page in action as customers adjust the quantity of the product in their cart. The price should automatically update, clearly showcasing the savings there. Making this visual cue is crucial for encouraging higher order values. By implementing these dynamic volume discounts, you're not just selling more products. You're enhancing the customer experience by offering clear value and incentivizing larger purchases, ultimately boosting your average order value. Happy selling!